My thoughts are light, they drift like smoke. No borders, no walls, just dreams I evoke. I follow the pulse, I follow the sound. No limits, no rules, I'm unbound.
This is my heart.